So you get your image from Canva AI. There is a tutorial on that on this page. So after getting the image, you download, then you go to InShot and click on photo. Then you click on new. Then you pick your image. So this is what you want to do. You want to clear this thing that we wrote on it. So Canva AI did not bring it out very well for us. So we want to clean it and redesign. So you choose the one on your left, the eraser on your left, if you are using the free version. Then you pick the icon on your left too. Yes, because the other one is for recovering, while the one on the left is to clear, just as it's marked green on the screen. So you so after clearing it, if there's other part you want to clear, you also clear it, just as you see me clearing it. So you mark it over there. When you are through, then you see that the object has been cleared from your image. So that's how to clear any object that you don't want from your image. Now you export, then we go to the next phase, which we are going to be using PixelLab. So you open your PixelLab, then you hit here's that button, the fourth one. Yes, we have 5 buttons there, the fourth one, then you pick from gallery. After clicking on it, then you pick your images. You pick that image that you want to design. Yes, if you are okay with what you see, you can always change it to whatever ratio you want. So me, I'm okay with the ratio, so I click on the word there and I go up to hit the delete button. Yes, then you hit OK and you continue with whatever you want to write on your design. So we are clicking this A that stands for text, then you click on text. So you bring down your new text and you write whatever you want to write. So you click OK. So you set your wordings very well because we are covering it. So you ensure you set it very well. You can always use that line to adjust it to whatever you want. So that is where we click the curve. After typing your words, you click on that curve. Then you see the arrow, you use it to correct it to whatever you want. So you choose the font you feel like using. You can choose any font of your choice depending on what you're designing. This is just a sample. So you can pick any font of your choice. Then you bend to whatever ratio that fits the line you are working with. So you use that line to correct it to whatever you want. So we are putting it on 50. You can put your own depending on your line. So we go to stroke, then we are going to enable it. You click on it and you can reduce, you can pick the color you want. After picking the color, then you pick the width, the stroke width. Yes, after picking the color, then you pick the stroke width. Then we continue again and go to text. Then we click on the plus icon after clicking the A icon. So you bring in your text and you write whatever you want to write on it. So we are writing September promo. So now you click on coffee again. You go and look for cough. So we pick cough because you're also coughing in it. You want to curve it to meet the line. So you can bend according to the line. Yes, adjust the bending till it matches your line. So you can always bring it down, bring it up till you're able to get the accurate line. So you give your text font. So this is what we pick. You can also pick the one that suits your design. So we change our text. In case you make a mistake and you want to change your text, that's how to go about it. You click on the text and so we go to new text. So the next thing is to look for font for your design, which is down. So we go down after writing this. You can always use the two edges to adjust your text. I'm going to show us later. So now we look for font, the AB icon. Yes, and we pick a font for our design. So this is the font we pick for our design. So I'm just showing the screen very well so that you can see it. On your screen is going to come out full. So you can always adjust it to what you want. So we just write free for. We also change our text in case you feel like changing your text. So you click on new text and you write whatever you want to write on it. So we're writing the courses outline. So you arrange your text on it. Please note, text arrangement is very important. So you arrange your text on it. This is just a sample. If not, you can still add paparazzi break it into individual, add background to it, make it come up very well, and all those things. But because this is just a sample tutorial, just how to add weddings text to your already made AI images. So you click on text and you click on, so you're going to bring the new text and you bring it down and you write whatever you want to write on it. So you use that white beside it and the one at the down to either shift it, increase it, reduce it, make it bigger or smaller. Then you pick your font for your design. Yeah, that's the font we pick for our design. So you copy it. So ensure you place your text very well. Ensure you arrange your text very well. Then you add another text. You go to the AI icon. Okay, we're not adding another text, we're just copying. You click on that and you copy it. You click on that and you copy it. So we don't need to pick another font for this because we already have a font. Even despite changing it to small letter, it doesn't change because the font is in capital letter, even if you use a small capital. So there are some font like that. So I think for now, since it's a sample design, we are almost completing our design. You hit the save button and you save as image, then it will be saved to your gallery. But if you want to use this kind of design again, you can save as project. So you click save to gallery. So that's save as project. You write the project name and you click OK.